Over the years, we've seen incredible transformations from our participants in the Investment-Grade Energy Auditor program, or IGEA. They've gone from being general consultants to greatly improving their expertise, taking on high-value projects that have not only boosted their careers, but helped organizations achieve measurable energy savings. But don't just take my word for it.
This training has strengthened our proposal by enabling us to present compelling data, ROI analysis, and actionable insight. As a result, we build stronger trust and confidence with our client, helping them make informed decisions that align with their sustainability and business objective. It has positioned us as a trusted advisor to our client, supporting their journey towards sustainable goals.
And we have received excellent feedback from within the team in terms of being able to take what the course content has and apply it to the on-site investigations that the team do regularly. It really has been the turning point in some of our engineers' development, professional development, and so we're looking forward to bringing more people through the course as we go forward.
The HVAC alone, I think, is worth the money. I did undergrad, I did postgrad as well, and I reckon Bruce's course just topped all those content in the university. He got plenty of practical examples or upgrades that you can go through, a proper framework for you as well to work through with your clients to identify energy saving opportunities. So I reckon that this course will be a great value for all of you. You guys should check it out.
But here's the exciting part. The Energy Efficiency Advisor Accelerator, EEAA, takes this transformation even further. Unlike traditional training programs, EEAA offers interactive workshops, live case exercises, and direct expert guidance. It's where theory meets practice and where you learn not just how to analyze energy systems, but how to become the go-to expert that clients trust. With the EEAA, you'll deepen your technical knowledge and gain the hands-on experience needed to tackle real-world challenges. Imagine leading workshops, solving complex energy efficiency problems, and guiding clients through tailored energy efficiency solutions, all whilst building your professional credibility. Now, this is your chance to become part of the next wave of energy efficiency advisors who are reshaping the industry and lifting the bar. Just like our IGEA graduates, Investment-Grade Energy Audit graduates, you'll not only be increasing your earning potential, but you'll become the trusted expert your clients turn to for transformative solutions. I advise you not to let this opportunity pass you by. Now, you may be thinking, is this the right time for me? Or if I'm not sure if I have the technical skills yet, well, let me reassure you, the Energy Efficiency Advisor Accelerator is designed for professionals like you who want to advance their careers, who may not have the technical skills. Well, this is a focus on technical skills. And if not now, well, when? Time is short. We're not running this program again this year. Our program will equip you with the tools and knowledge you need to build confidence and start leading the field. Now, don't wait. Spaces are limited and the program is starting soon. And it's not going to be running again for another year, as I just said. This is your chance to secure your future in the energy efficiency sector. Take the next step now and be part of the pioneering group that will shape the future of energy efficiency solutions. Are you ready to take the leap? Join me in the Energy Efficiency Advisor Accelerator program today. And let's build a more energy efficient future together. Click the link to apply and take your first step towards becoming the expert you've always wanted to be. Thank you.